Hi there, hope you have a fantastic day today. This lesson I will teach you quadratic models. Of course, there's a PDF file versions on the description below for you to download so you can work with me. Otherwise, let's go straight into it. First one. So we have a rectangular paddock. So X is the width of the rectangle and Y is the length. So we need to fence around the paddock. So these are the fencing. Okay, so these X and then this is Y. So the length of the rectangle. So the information given is we have 3x plus 2y is equal to 900. So in another word, okay, the perimeter of this is 900 if you like. And the area of the paddocks is given by this. And we don't need to prove any of this, okay? All the informations are given. So the questions is this. The area of the paddocks is 30,000 square meters. So what is the largest possible value of X? So 30,000 square meters for area. So before we do the questions, we need to know that, okay, the vertical axis is given is area. Okay, these are the area. And the horizontal axis is the X. In another word, is the width of the rectangle. So 300 square meters, that is the area. So we just go across 300 square meters. So 300 square meters is here, right on the grid. So let me just circle it so you can see. So therefore, when the area is 30,000 square meters, so what we need to do, we need to look for the X value. Okay, these are the X value. So it's 100 and 200. So therefore, the answer is 100 or 200. So, but then the question is, find the largest possible for the X value. So you go, therefore, the largest answer is 200. So therefore, X is equal to 200. There you go. Part B. So we need to find the X and the Y value so that it gives the maximum area. Okay. So the maximum area is when the graph is at turning point. Okay. So the turning point is right here. If you like, let me just make it a bit bigger so you can see. So right in the middle here. So to do this, I just use ruler so you can see. So that is right in the middle. So therefore, we need to work out the number. So to do this, so we know that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 gaps. So 20 divided by 5 is 4. So therefore, it goes up by 4. So we already know this is 140. So we have 2.5. So 2.5 times 40 if you like. So 2.5 times 40, or you can just count 4, 8, and add another 2, so 10. So 140 plus 10, so 150. So let me just write this down. So X is equal to 150. That is where it gives the maximum area from the graph, okay? Just remember that. Now we need to find the Y value. And the equation given is this. So 3x plus 2y is 900. So now we just need to substitute the X value in. So that is 3 and 150 plus 2 lots of y is equal to 900. So what I do now, I just expand this. So 3 times 150. So just go 3 times 150. So 450. So 450. And then we plus 2y. So that give me 900. Now I just need to minus 450 of both sides because I want to get rid of this 450. So minus 450 on both sides. So this side leave with 2y. 900 minus 450. So equal 450. So now I just divide by 2 I divide this by 2. So that will give me, so just write this down. So y is equal to 2 go to 4 is 2, 2 go to 5, 2, remainder 1, so it's 10. So divide 2 is 5. Or you can just quickly use your calculator. So therefore, x is equal to 150 and y is equal to 225. There you go. Next one, part C. So we need to use part B to find the largest possible area for the paddocks. So we know that it's a rectangle. So the rectangle is length times width, okay, for the area. So we need to find length times width will give me the area of this paddock here. So A, that is area, equal length times width. So the length is 225 and the width is 150. So we just time them together. So I just go 225 times 150. So there you go, 33,750. 33,750 square meters. There you go. Please pause the video and try this one yourself. Hi, I'm back. How do you go? So let me go through it with you, okay? Before I do that, please do not forget to give me a thumb up and subscribe if you haven't done so you can help me to grow my channel. Let's get into this. So firstly, we need to understand, okay, the x and the y axis first. So the y axis here, it give me the area because A is the area of the rectangle. Just remember that, okay? That's very important. And we know W is the width of the rectangle. Part A. So explain why in this context, the model A only makes sense for the both sections of the graph. So in another word, okay, why only this part is making sense in this context, okay? So you can see this W is the width of the rectangle. So therefore, you cannot have negative W. In another word, you cannot have a negative width of a rectangle. So therefore, W must be positive, okay? So that's why. Now part B. So the area of the rectangle is 18 square meters. So we need to find the perimeter. So first of all, we need to look at the graph first. So when it's 18 square meters, that means A is equal to 18. So 18 is, so it go up by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, go up by 1. So 18 will be here. So here, it gives this. So the W is equal to 2. So therefore, okay, we know that W equal 2 when A is 18. Let me just write this down first. So W is equal to 2. And we know that it is a rectangle. So we know that area of a rectangle is length times width. So we know that area is 18. And the length, we need to find out the length first. And times by 2. So it divides by 2 on both sides. So therefore, the length of the rectangle is 9. There you go. But the question is asking for the perimeter. So we know that the perimeter of a rectangle is 2L plus 2 times W. So 2 lots of 9 plus 2 lots of W, which is 2. So 2 times 9 is 18 and 2 times 2 is 4. So 18 plus 4 is 22 and centimeters. Don't forget the units. There you go. Now please pause the video and try this one yourself. Hi, I'm back. How do you go? So let me go through it with you, okay, to see whether you got it right or not. So first of all, very important that we need to know the movie theater has 20 seats. And currently, or at the moment, the cost of the ticket is $8 per ticket. And the graph is show the income when the price of the tickets increase, okay? And the vertical axis it shows the income, okay, when the price is increased. So this is the price increase for horizontally. So now let's answer the questions. So part 1. So we need to find the ticket price when it gives maximum income. So maximum income is the turning point, if you like. So the turning point is here at this point, okay? So therefore it's here. So it's 6. So therefore the price is increased by $6. But the question says, what is the price should charge? So we already know that is at the moment it's $8 per ticket. So we just go $8 and we add $6. So that will give me $14 per ticket to get maximum income. So what number of tickets sold when the income is maximum? So to get that, so we know that the income altogether is here. That's the income. So therefore we need to work out how much it is at the moment. So you can see the gap. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So go up by 5. So we go 200 divided by 5. Okay, 20 divided by 5 is 4. So 40. So $40 it go up. Or otherwise you can just use your calculator. So it go up by 40. So therefore we go $2,000 minus 40. So that is $1,940. So the maximum income is $1,960. And then we divide it by 14 because each ticket it cost $14. So divided by $14, that will give me the number of tickets. So just use calculator. So 1960 divided by 14. So 140. So therefore 140 tickets. There you go. So last one. So we know that the running cost for each session is $500 and we add $2 per ticket sold. So we need to work out the profits earned. So the profit is the revenue minus the cost, okay? The income minus the cost, okay? If you like. So first of all, we need to work out the cost for running each section first. So the cost will give me, so first of all, is $500 and we add $2 for every ticket is sold. So we sold for 140 tickets and we time by 2. So that will give me, so I just go answer times 2 plus 500. So $780. So that is the cost for running each session. So now we need to work out the profits. So profit is the income. So the income is 1,960 and then we minus $780, which give me, so I just go 1960 minus the answer. So there you go. So $1,180. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you got all of them correct. Bye.